The Realist School of Thought in Jurisprudence focuses on how law operates in practice, rather than how it is written in statutes or legal codes. Realists argue that legal decisions are influenced by a range of factors, including judges' personal beliefs, social context, and external pressures. They emphasize that law is not just a system of rules, but a human activity shaped by real-world dynamics. This approach often involves empirical study of how laws are applied and how legal outcomes affect society. Key features. 1. Law in action. Realists focus on how laws are applied in practice, highlighting the gap between formal legal rules and actual legal outcomes. 2. Judicial behavior. Realists argue that judges' decisions are not purely based on objective legal reasoning but are influenced by their experiences, biases, and external factors. 3. Empirical approach. The school relies on empirical studies and research to understand how laws function in the real world, going beyond theoretical analysis. And 4. Law as a tool for social ends. Realists often see law as a tool to achieve social objectives, promoting justice and practical solutions rather than adhering strictly to doctrinal or formalistic interpretations. Prominent thinkers. First, Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr. A key figure in legal realism, Holmes argued that law should be viewed as predictions of how courts will rule, and that judges' decisions are shaped by practical considerations. Second, Karl Llewellyn, known for advocating the law in action approach. Llewellyn emphasized that law is not just a set of written rules, but involves how those rules are implemented and interpreted in real situations. Third, Jerome. Frank focused on the unpredictability of judicial decisions, stressing the role of human psychology in the law, and arguing that legal certainty is often an illusion. Some critics argue that legal realism undermines the consistency and predictability of law by focusing too much on the subjective influences on judges. Others believe that by de-emphasizing legal rules, realism could erode the authority and stability of the legal system. In summary, the Realist School emphasizes the importance of looking at how laws are applied in reality, including the various influences on judges and legal institutions, rather than relying solely on formal legal texts and doctrines.